Guys, nothing wey Musa no go see for gate o. This one no be small matter o, na big matter na we bring come o. Make una be careful for the kind oil Adolik wey be say una dey buy for una car o, guys. Fake one don many now o. Make una watch the one wey be say una wan see. So anyway una for see this kind Adolik oil, make una jump enter bush o. Na water una wan buy go knock una engine for una hand. Make una open una eyes very well. Fake product don dey everywhere o.
Officials of the Surveillance, Intelligence and Monitoring Unit of the SON uncovered these outlets in Lagos.
What they are doing here purely is adulteration of different types of lubricants. We have engine oil of the popular brands in Nigeria. Then we have the .3 brake oil. We also saw a lot of labels. Labels of the popular brands. Amongst those labels also there is the Sun Mancap logo. This is light oil, water and color to make you look like fluid. It knocks engines, it knocks industrial machines. It does not serve that purpose for lubrication because it's just base oil.
3 people were arrested in connection to the illegal business, and a week later, the owner of the warehouse was arrested and handed to the police for further investigation and prosecution.